Hi everyone, I'm Nihal Danga, a former student of St. Paul's School, Jalaman. I'm currently pursuing my undergraduation in radiology at AIIMS Nagpur. Today, when I reflect back on my journey, it feels great because a major part of who I am today was built at St. Paul's. Academically, it gave me a very strong foundation. Even today, many of the analytical skills which I use in medical sciences have their roots in my school education. I owe immense gratitude to my teachers for the constant support, guidance, and belief in me. Throughout the school years, I actively participated in sports events, cultural activities, and other inter-house competitions, which helped me in developing leadership qualities and great sense of teamwork. As a student of AIIMS Nagpur, I truly appreciate the role of St. Paul's. I'll be forever grateful to our principal, my teachers, our management, and the entire St. Paul's family. Thank you for giving me a foundation so strong to build my dreams upon.
Greetings to our Reverend Father, Anthony Fernandez, teachers, and to the whole Pauline family. I am Priyanshu Patel, an alumni of the Pauline family. Currently, I am pursuing my BSc LLB from the National Forensic Sciences University, Gandhinagar. It's great to hear from our teachers that the Pauline family is growing and prospering year by year with great results, not in just academics but other co-curricular activities too. We stand proud to address ourselves a part of the Pauline family. This institution is not just a place of learning, it's a place that shapes character, builds confidence, and nurtures dreams. The dedication of our teachers has always been the backbone of this school. They taught us discipline, values, compassion, and the courage to believe in ourselves. St. Paul's has consistently created an environment where students grow into responsible individuals. I feel truly blessed to be a part of the Pauline family. The school has laid the foundation of who I am today, and for that I remain forever grateful. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanskriti Bhopal Singh and I am an ex-student of St. Paul's School, Jalaman. Today I am really happy to share a small message about my journey. St. Paul's School has played a big role in shaping who I am today, whatever I am doing right now. The confidence to speak, to express myself and to be responsible. All of this begins from the classrooms and corridors. St. Paul's had made me realize that I am a good student. St. Paul's is a very nice and beautiful school. St. Paul's taught me how to be grounded. St. Paul's School is a very nice and good school. Today I am pursuing and I am currently a third year student of BA LLB from National Law University, Silvassa. Thank you so much and thank you to all the St. Paul's staff and all the teachers who taught me very well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Rudraksh Pani this side. It's very nice to meet you all virtually. I am a CA finalist doing my articleship from a very reputed CA firm in Jodhpur. My journey in this challenging field owes a great deal with my time spent in this school. It wasn't just the books, the school provided me the foundational pillars for my success. To the current students, all I want to say is that invest your time here, take advantage of each and every opportunity given to you, because these years are the foundation of whatever you wish to pursue. My professional life as a future CA is very demanding, but the work ethics, the moral values taught to me here continue to be my strongest asset. I am very proud to be an alumnus of this school.
Hello everyone, myself Cadet Yogi Kanoja from the 2024 batch of St. Paul's School, and I am currently at Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy pursuing my studies in BSc Nautical Sciences, and my academy is considered to be one of the best maritime institutes of the nation, and I would like to express my gratitude towards the school for every bit of knowledge, memories and opportunities they have given me, and I will always carry their spirit wherever life takes me. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Ishwara Gilhotra. I am from the 2023 batch pass outs of St. Paul's School. I am currently doing BC in Pune and enrolled under Symbiosis of the National University. Interestingly, the very first line of code that I ever wrote was in St. Paul's computer lab. At that moment, I did not realize how it's going to shape my future or if coding is going to become a very major part of my life. But here I am, and since then I've worked in companies like Microsoft and IBM, and still there's a lot to learn, and everyone starts somewhere. And for me, it was St. Paul's Senior Secondary School, Jalaman, Jodhpur, and forever grateful for that. and I wish all the best to all the future pass out batches of St. Paul's. And thank you for hearing my journey, and I'm very glad. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kritika Rajpurohit from the batch of 2021, and I am pursuing civil engineering here at MNIT Jaipur. I am sitting in front of Vivekanand Lecture Theatre Complex, which is Asia's largest lecture theatre complex. I am truly honored to be featured here as a proud pass out of St. Paul's. Today, whatever I am, including achieving this college, has its root at St. Paul's. This school didn't just teach me subjects, it shaped my discipline, the way I think, and the confidence to dream bigger. Every teacher there believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. Their guidance and the strictness and their constant support built the foundation that helped me to reach my college. To my juniors, I want to say that value this time, value your teachers, and value the environment you have, and the small lessons you learn every single day. Your school is preparing you in the ways you will understand only later. Work hard, stay consistent, and trust the process. Thank you to my school for shaping my future and this journey, which was very fascinating. And all the best to my juniors.